we're exploring how to work with numbers in Go. It's simpler than you might think. Let's get started. We use the fmt_println function to display output. Right now, it's empty, so let's add some numbers. Here's an integer literal. An integer is a whole number without any decimal point. In Go, we just type the number directly into our code. When we run this, it prints 42 foot to the console. This is the simplest form of output in Go. Integers like these are used widely in programming for various calculations and operations. Now, let's try a floating point number. Floating point numbers include a decimal, like 3.14. This allows us to work with fractions and more precise values. Running this prints 3.14. Floating point literals are great for when you need more precision in your calculations, such as in scientific computations. Now, if we remove the decimal point from 3.14, we get 314, a completely different number and type. This emphasizes the importance of the decimal point in distinguishing types. That tiny dot makes a big difference. With the decimal, it's a floating point number. Without it, it's an integer. In Go, these are considered different types and are handled differently by the system.